Hello, friends. Welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So today I am going to discuss a stock which is in news in this week. I will discuss the related news, and along with that, I will discuss the fundamental also of this stock, and I will discuss its technical chart also, and will share the key levels. So to know the stock name and its levels, technical levels, and all about this stock. Stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular index levels update, stock market update, and stock in news update in one video. So I'm going to discuss this stock in news stock which is in news this week, but the index level I'm going to post the separate video for the index level for nifty level, nifty 50, nifty bank level. For that I'm posting those video in this week only on Saturday Sunday. Please go through those videos also, because there I'm sharing the levels. Along with that I'm sharing important news, important information, global market, all I'm sharing on those weekend video on Saturday and Sunday. Please go through those video also. This is especially for this stock. I'm making this video because this stock is in news and very much important to know all the things which I am going to share. So I will share all the things about this stock. That the stock name is itself Bajaj Finance. Yes, Bajaj Finance has posted its Q4 earning yesterday only, and this stock has posted a very good result, and along with that it has given a so much. If you are holding this stock, you are getting so much benefit from this, going to get so much benefit from this stock in coming month, coming weeks. So I will discuss one by one. First, I will discuss news. Then I will go to its fundamental and technical. So, starting with the Q4 result, yes, it has posted a good Q4 result. 17-18% Y on Y profit has risen, and the profit is at 4546, means 4,560 4,546 crore. Is the net profit in this Q4. Comparing to last Q4 of 2024, it was 3,824 around. Yes, and profit has risen more than 18%, and net interest income is at 9,800 crore around, and it was last Q4 last year it was 8,000 crore around, means the NI also has increased by 22, more than 22%. So this is in short I am giving the information. You should definitely go through all the Q4 result, and all thing is available on website. You should go through detailed Q4 result. The board has announced some important uh, benefit to its shareholder, that I'm going to discuss one by one. First of all, dividend. Please focus on dividend. That company has given to its shareholder a special interim dividend of 12 rupees per share. 12 rupees per share, ये एक स्पेशल इंटरिम डिविडेंड है. Along with that they are giving the final dividend also of 44 rupees per share. So 44 rupees per share is it's a final dividend, as this it's a Q4 Q4 result है. और 12 rupees per share is special interim dividend. So if we add all both the dividend, we will get the 56 rupees per share dividend from the Bajaj Finance. This is one news for dividend. The second thing on above this, top of this, they are going to give the split for the share. As share is trading at 8,000 around, yes, 8,600 around. The share is trading at this price, and the board has approved the split of 1 is to 2. ओके, तो 1:2 का स्प्लिट उन्होंने दिया है। तो दिस आई विल शेयर इन डिटेल, कैसे आई विल शेयर विद एग्जांपल इन डिटेल, यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड विद दिस, बट फर्स्ट लेट मी टेल यू दैट दिस 1:2 का स्प्लिट board has approved from Bajaj Finance. This is one, and even top of that, they have given a bonus also. So board has approved the bonus share also at the ratio of 4:1. 4:1 के रेशियो से उसके ऊपर बोनस भी दिया है। आई विल शेयर विद द एग्जांपल, so you will understand how to calculate this. So this was three important benefit to its shareholder, the company is going to give. Number one, split. Number two, bonus. Number three is dividend. So you got all the important information, dividend, bonus, split, मैंने सब बता दिया कि how much dividend the company is giving, split कितने का है और bonus कितने का है। अब मैं डिटेल में आपको ये बताती हूँ देन हाउ यू विल गेट ऑल दिस थिंग्स। रिकॉर्ड डेट बाद में आएगी, और डिविडेंड का तो शायद 26 में है, बट दैट आई विल अपडेट, बट स्प्लिट और बोनस का रिकॉर्ड डेट अभी नहीं आया है। एंड देन आई विल give you one example, you understand kaise how to calculate these things, how will be calculated, and what will be the share price, and what will you get. Number one, dividend you got 56 total. I have added both the dividend, you will get 56 rupees total dividend. Total dividend is 56 rupees per share. So that you can calculate your dividend, and whatever quantity you are holding, according to that you will get the dividend. Number two, split is the company is giving 1:2 split. Okay, so 1:2 is split means if you are holding one, that will be divided into two. So each existing share will be split in टू शेयर। ओके, तो टू शेयर में एक अगर इफ यू आर हैविंग होल्डिंग वन शेयर, यू विल बी नाउ हैविंग, after splitting you will be having two share. So if you are having one share, you will have two share, that means uh, twice. Okay, so see, for example, if you are holding 100 share of the Bajaj Finance, okay, so 100 share ka, now after splitting you will get 200 share. Second number, bonus share. Bonus issue in the ratio of 4:1, as I already mentioned, I already shared. For every one share you hold after split, you will get 4 extra share. Okay, so share like bonus is free of cost. Okay, so 4 share means if now after splitting you are getting 200 share. Okay, got it. And now on 200 share you will get share extra 4 share. So now if you multiply 200 share में if you multiply by 4, you will get 800 share. Okay, 200 into 4, so now you have 800 share. Up splitting and bonus both you will add. Okay, so 200 share plus 800 share, now you will have 1000 share. See, initially you were holding 100 share of Bajaj Finance. After split and bonus, now your 100 of share, now it has become 1000 of share. How it has been calculated, I have just discussed. So you can pause and you can rewind the video and you can understand nicely. Now you are having 1000 share of Bajaj Finance if you were holding before the split and bonus 100 share of Bajaj Finance. Now this 1000 share money, your invested money, that will be the same, that is not going to change. if you have invested according to 100 share, and the current trading price is 8600 around, if we take round figure मान लो 9,000, so if you are 9,000 का शेयर, अभी एक शेयर है तो 100 रुपीज के हिसाब से, if you have invested 9,000 के हिसाब से 100 रुपीज मीन्स 9 लाख का आपने इन्वेस्ट किया था, इफ यू हैव इन्वेस्टेड 9 लाख, still after one getting 1000 share, still you will be your invested money will be 9 lakh only. The price of Bajaj Finance will be डिक्रीज, और उसके हिसाब से वो बोनस और स्प्लिट के हिसाब से वो कम होके 900 पर शेयर के हिसाब से, आफ्टर स्प्लिटिंग एंड आफ्टर बोनस इट विल बी नाउ 900 पर शेयर हो जाएगा द शेयर प्राइस. सो 900 पर शेयर के हिसाब से, इफ यू आर होल्डिंग 1000 शेयर, योर इन्वेस्टेड मनी विल बी अगेन द 9 लाख रुपीज. I hope you got all the detail and all the thing you understood. And if you have any question, still any question or any doubt regarding this, comment below. I will clarify. And this was the whole calculation is going to happen with Bajaj Finance, which I have discussed. If you did not get it, please go through again with the video and understand nicely. Important thing, dividend split bonus. I'm going to the quickly going to the fundamental. You can see here, this is Bajaj Finance and the market cap is very big. It is 5,36,500 around crore is the market cap. This is the big NBFC lending company, NBFC. And parenting company is also the Bajaj Finserv. And the market cap you can see, price is, I just discussed 8600, it is trading at 8600, तो उस हिसाब से you can calculate the what will be the current price, क्योंकि प्राइस तो ऊपर नीचे होता रहेगा. लाइक अभी भी कल को मार्केट गिर जाएगा तो अगेन मार्केट दैट प्राइस विल गो डाउन, it can reach to 8000 also or 9000 also. So this is actually variable, price is variable. Stock P is 32, which is quietly reasonable valued, I will say. It's not very overvalued, but yes, it is not undervalued also, as industry P is also at 20 at 20 पे है. So this stock P is also not overvalued very much, but yes, not undervalued also. Already I discussed dividend yield इनका बहुत अच्छा है, it is 0.51%. And ROC is 11.3%, ROE is 19.2%, which is also good. ROE अच्छा है, ROC is not that much good, but yes, ROE is at 19.2%. Operating profit margin is 68.4% and profit growth at 15%. So all these, and price to book value is also little bit high, 5.55. So this is at, it's a large cap big NBFC company, large cap NBFC company. So of course it will come with some value. Now I'll quickly go to the chart and I'll discuss the chart also. I have opened the weekly chart, you can see, and this line is a long term resistance. You can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6, but how many times we can say कि 21, since 2021 say this stock was trading under this range, which was at 8,200 के अंदर ही ये कई 2-3 सालों से, मीन्स आई कैन से यस 8,000 2021 से 2025 तक it was trading in this range only, 8,200. Recently in 2025 in Feb या March में या Feb में, it has given a breakout, you can see here. And here after giving breakout, it is trading above this range, which is very important support of the 8,200. Please keep this level in your mind. 8,200 is a very good support. I don't know after splitting and bonus it is going to fall beyond this level or not, but this can be a very very good support of 8200. And you can see this line how beautifully it is respecting this line, which is 20 week EMA. 20 वीक ईएमए है ये, और इसने कितना ब्यूटीफुली इसको रिस्पेक्ट किया, एंड हियर इट हैज ब्रोकन, एंड यू कैन सी हाउ दिस ब्रेकआउट हैपेंड, एंड नाउ द stock is trading above this strong support, strong 20 week EMA level. And still it is I have drawn this trend line, you can see. Please understand very give your attention, and please understand carefully how this trend line, the I have drawn this trend line, how much it is important. This trend line, here it has taken resistance and again stopped falling. From here it was all time high, which is 9600 तक भी पहुंच गया था ये stock, means it is almost going to reach 10,000. That's why the company is giving the split and bonus both, because the company wants the liquidity, and after reducing price the company will get the liquidity, people will invest in this stock more. You should watch when this stock is going to break this trend line in coming future. But अभी के लिए stock ने यहाँ पे resistance लेके again it is falling back to this level, which is 8200. I can say maximum it can reach to 8200, as currently it is 8600, and this was lowest level of this week, which was 8500. तो 8500 के अराउंड ये ऑलरेडी पहुंच चुका है, almost it may reach to 8200 around. If it's breaking this level, again it will go to the uh, this support, which is here 6500 तक भी जा सकता है. तो this I am not jumping on this level, beyond this level. अभी के लिए मेरा support 8200 ही रहेगा. 8200 very important support. If it's falling beyond this, then we'll see. बट अभी के लिए मेरा सपोर्ट यही रहेगा. अगर कोई बैड न्यूज़ इन स्टॉक मार्केट नहीं आती है या कुछ ऐसा बड़ा नहीं होता है, so keeping in view that geopolitical condition also, if it's falling beyond this it may fall more. Okay, तो अभी के लिए मेरा 8200 लेवल है, और ऊपर के लेवल पे ये लाइन रेजिस्टेंस रहेगी जो कि 9 to 10,000 तक भी जा सकती है. अगर मार्केट ये बजाज फाइनेंस ने यहाँ से यू टर्न ले लिया, इट कैन रीच टू 8 10,000 ऑल्सो. स्प्लिटिंग और बोनस का जो रिकॉर्ड डेट है, दैट इज नॉट डिक्लेयर्ड बाय द कंपनी, तो दैट आई विल अपडेट. एंड currently this was the technical situation of the stock market. So 8200 is a very good support for the stock, and it can reach beyond the 10,000 also. Finally, important key support for the Bajaj Finance can be 8200. It is a very good support. And yes, from here if it takes reversal, it may reach to 9600 or even 10,000 in coming future. You should definitely like, share this video for the more reach, for the more people, and subscribe the channel also for regular index levels update and stock market news update, stock market update, and global market update, and yes, stock in news update also in one video. Signing off.